During this year's Railroad Prototype Modelers Meet in Collinsville, Illinois, I had the opportunity to join the operating session held on Brad Joseph's Union Pacific, Wyoming division. Due to my attempt at being a good yardmaster and not making too many mistakes, I did not get very much video of the rest of the operation that night. The layout depicts the main line over Sherman Hill between Laramie and Cheyenne. It boasts a 200-foot long main track and includes branch lines representing the CNS and CB&Q. Many scenes and buildings are based on real examples. Cheyenne is the main classification yard and contains several tracks and a large locomotive complex. Working signals are scattered throughout. The interlocking tower with its interactive control box makes for a nice touch. To make the most of the basement space, Brad's layout is double deck. There is plenty of staging to provide a healthy amount of traffic. Cars are switched following a car card system Brad adapted to his relaxed style of operating. A typical operating session involves passenger and ice reefing servicing as well.
We were told it was down to like till 3, it's down to reasonable. And you've got a chassis stuff. You put the thing, it's called put the fence up on the computer. You hit move it back. Push it over because you lose the revenue,
Brad and his friends were terrific hosts to all the visitors that night. It made for one of the best RPMs I've ever attended. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. See you now in the next video.